Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open Garageband on your iPhone and tap Create New Song to begin. Choose Touch Instruments or Drummer depending on the sound you want. Set tempo to 120 BPM so your groove stays consistent while recording. Tap the metronome icon to enable count-in for a tight start. Set the song length to 32 bars to plan your arrangement structure in advance. Name the project so you can find it later in files. Confirm sample rate at 44. 1 kHz and 16-bit for standard compatibility across platforms. Plug in headphones and set input levels so peaks sit near -6 dB. Arm a track and hit record to capture audio or MIDI performance in real time. Use overdub to layer additional parts and create harmonies or textures on separate tracks. Use punch-in recording to correct small sections without redoing entire takes. Enable low latency mode while recording to reduce performance delay and improve feel. Record up to 8 tracks on the device and monitor each level for clean mixes. Select a region to trim or split clips for precise arrangement control. Use fade handles to smooth beginnings and endings and prevent pops. Quantize MIDI notes and transpose regions to correct pitch or change key quickly. Add automation for volume, pan, and plugin parameters to create dynamic mixes. Browse Apple loops to fill sections and drag them into your timeline to build your song. When finished, choose Share and Export as AAC 256 kbps or WAV for high.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.